Ashley Raffel, and today I want to show you two different ways that you can access your curriculum materials. So the first way I'm going to show you is by accessing whatever you need through the Google Drive folder system. So if you look over here, there's a folder called KSL Curriculum 2021. I will share this with you at the end of this presentation. So I'm going to click on this folder and a bunch of different options will come up. We are going to pick KSL Math first. And so that stands for KIPP St. Louis Math. I'm going to open this folder up. And inside there, again, a bunch of other folders. We have Arc of the Year resources, ES Math, that's elementary school math. We also have meeting agendas and then middle school math. We want this middle school MS math one. I'm going to double click that. And again, it's like those stacking dolls. There's just more folders inside here. But this is the one that we want. We want this 2021 Navi, that stands for Navigator, MS Math Lessons Resource Folder. So MS always stands for middle school. So whenever you see that, that's what that means. So I'm going to double click this. And again, more folders. There's a whole bunch. But the one that you would want to navigate to is this one here, where it says Core Curriculum Materials. And you guessed it, when I open it, there's going to be even more folders. So you open it up, and inside here, there's one that says 1819 Core Curriculum Lessons, Current, Use. This is the one we want. These are just archives and other things that you'll need. So we're gonna click on the Core Curriculum Materials. This is where you'll find all of your lesson materials, your lesson plans, the student work, and the Desmos links. And then you can see it just goes by grade. So let's say I'm a 7th grade math teacher. I would click on the 7th grade folder. And what's great is all of the different grade folders are organized the same way. So you click on it and then you can see all of the units. You have your yearly scope and sequence. And then if you open these unit folders further, that's where all the lesson materials are. So in Unit 1, it looks like there's 12 lessons. Each lesson has a folder, and then down here at the bottom is the unit overview. And this is what you'll use when you do like unit unpacking, is this unit overview. But I just want to show you quickly what's in each lesson folder. So you have the lesson plan, and then you have the lesson slide deck. And so if I click the lesson slide deck, this is where you'll get your link to Desmos, which you learned in the the Desmos training that you did this week on Wednesday. So here is the Google Slides that you'll use for your lesson that you're teaching virtually. And then if my computer will load, I believe it's that second slide. Yep, that has the Desmos link right down here. And that's how you would open this lesson in Desmos. So that is how you would use our Google Drive folder system in order to navigate to materials. But like I said, I'm going to show you two different ways. So this was the first way, Google Folders. And then the other way, I'm hoping will be a little bit easier, and that is through our blueprints. And so again, I will share this folder with you all directly, and I will also share this KSL curriculum folder with you directly. But I think that the second blueprint way is going to be a little bit easier, less clicking and less extraneous folders. So I opened up the KSL curriculum folder, and this very first folder says K-8 grade level blueprints. I'm going to double click that. And then you can see down the line, there is one Google Sheet for each grade level. These are still in the process of being built out, but math is complete and science is complete for the first quarter of the year. So let's just pick one. Let's say I teach 5th grade math. I'm going to double click on this link, and this will open up what we call at KIPP St. Louis a blueprint. You can see all of the different features and all of the different things that are included in this blueprint. Again, my internet seems to be going a little bit slow, but here we go. Day and by week and by quarter, what lessons you'll be teaching. So you can see that on this day here, Tuesday, September 1st, you will start the AF Unit 1, Lesson 1. And here's your objective and your key points. And then what I've done is, rather than like navigate through all those folders I showed you before, you can just click this link here and it will bring you directly to the 5th grade Unit 1 folder with all of the lessons. So we said we were going to be teaching 5th grade Unit 1, Lesson 1. Here is the Lesson 1 folder that I can more easily access. There's also space for you to link your own Desmos link. So once you go through and add your presentation to your Desmos page, you can add your link in here for easy access as well. And another great thing about this is that the Math CR Cumulative Review also has a tab. So if I click here, at the bottom, I can see not only what quizzes are coming, but what will be on them. I will see the standards that we'll review each week in Cumulative Review. And then later on next week, on Monday the 17th, you'll learn about how to actually link in information into this to address the different standards. And all of that, again, is just in these grade level blueprints. So those will look the same no matter what grade you teach, 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th. All of that information is there for you. So I hope that you now understand how to access your curriculum materials, but if there are still questions you have, there will be space for you to ask those questions asynchronously, and I will make sure that I respond by next week with any follow-up clarification or questions needed. So that's it from me. Have a great day, and that is all. I'm trying to figure out how to stop recording here.